Welcome back. What is going on? How are we doing? Are we doing well? I hope you are, because we're back at it with another chocolate bar review. And this one is from Chugach chocolates, right from the pure land of Alaska, in the heart of the Chugach Mountains. Handcrafted. This one is a rich dark chocolate with Prince William Sound sea salt, traditionally made for the modern mouth. Not sure exactly what the Prince William Sound sea salt is all about, but it's salt of some kind, and I'm about it. So without further ado, let's dig into this magnificent Alaskan chocolate bar. Bada boom, bada bam. Okay, take a little pow pow. Oh, good to be in the kitchen. Good to be in the kitchen. Oh, a little nibble already. All right, would you look at that? Look at that, baby. My goodness. It's really nice to look at. Really, really nice. All right. Okay. Oh. Save the crumbs. Lost a few. Oh, man. Wow. For dark chocolate, this is amazing. Almost like dipping my spoon into a bowl of brownie batter. That dark. Yeah, this is amazing. I really like it. Perhaps I just got back from riding a bike, so now I'm pretty exhausted, so maybe it's tasting even better. Regardless, this is pretty good. It's very salty. In a good way. Not very salty as in excessive, but just right. I mean, it's there. The salt is knocking on your door. And you're gonna say hello. And you're gonna say, come right in. Come right in. Yeah. Alaskan chocolate here, baby. And, yeah. It's dark chocolate, salty bar. But not just any salt. Prince William Sound sea salt. This is really good. Really good. I really do like it. I wasn't expecting this dark chocolate to be like this. So, what else do you need me to say? Go buy yourself some dang old Chugach chocolate from the great land of Alaska. And, I'm gonna chow this whole thing down. I mean, no problemo. No problemo at all. Yeah, that's it. We're pushing the mark again, so. Anyway, without further ado, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, cats and dogs, whatever else is out there, you have yourself a daggam good time. Cause me, whoo, I'm gonna have a daggam good time myself. All right.